Hello, welcome students. So today we are going to start with the practical sessions on the heat transfer. So before starting with the practicals, I will just give you a brief overview of what are the practicals that we are supposed to do and what are the various equipments that we are supposed to do, practicals that we are supposed to do into the lab. So total in all there are 8 practicals that we are supposed to do in the lab and 2 are the study practicals. So we will start with the practicals one by one. So before starting with the practicals, there are some basic terminologies that are supposed to be followed, and the same terminology we will be using in each and every experiments. So I will just begin with a simple example. The same type of calculations and the same type of measurements we will be doing in each and every experiments. So this is one example. This is an example. So the name of the experiment is composite wall. So I will not be explaining the composite wall. I will just explain the components which are there. Okay. So the basic components are. The first one is the voltmeter, the second one is the ammeter, and the third one is the temperature indicator. So these 3 components you will find in each and every experiment. Next, there is a dimmer. So I will just explain you the functions of each and every components. So what is the function of the dimmer? The function of the dimmer is, as we rotate it, what is happening? The voltage and the current is changing. Right? Here the voltage and the current is changing. So what we are supposed to do? We are doing the experiments of heat transfer. So we need to supply the heat. So how we are supplying the heat? We are supplying the heat in the form of electricity. So the electricity will generate the heat. So this heat, it is controlled by this dimmer. So what is the formula for heat in terms of electricity? The formula is Q is equal to V into I. So here you are getting the value of voltage from the voltmeter and the value of current from the ammeter. Right? So this is the basic thing you are supposed to first find out, or supply some heat. So how do you calculate the heat supplied? That is Q. Q, it is nothing but V into I. So you will get the value of V and I. So in this way we have found out Q. So what is the effect? Whenever we supply the heat, the next change is nothing but the change on the temperature. So the temperature will increase. So how will you measure the temperature? The temperature is measured with the help of this temperature indicator. This will display the temperature, and we will measure the temperature with the help of thermocouples. Various thermocouples you can see these are mounted. So this is one example of a disc where you can see that the temperature it is measured with the help of this thermocouple. Now whatever the temperature of the plate, that temperature will be displayed over here. So these are the 3 common components you will find in each and every experiment. First one is the voltmeter, second one is the ammeter, and third one is nothing but your temperature indicator, and last is nothing but the dimmer. So as you change the as you rotate the dimmer, the voltage will change. So now what is our task? We will fix some voltage. Okay. For example, we will fix some voltage at say 80 degrees. Okay, there is a fluctuation will be there. So for example, if we fix the voltage at 80 degrees, whatever the current is there, that current we will know. So in this way we will find out Q. How is Q? Q, it is nothing but 82 multiplied by 0.6. So this is nothing but the change of temperature. Right? And correspondingly we will measure the temperature at various locations. So here the experiments in heat transfer are performed for steady state heat transfer. So the change in temperature will be measured over a period of time. Once there is no change in temperature, then we can say that the system has reached the steady state. So these are the basic components. So I hope you have got a clear understanding of the basic components what are there. Thank you.